everyone, it's Debbie here. Welcome to Southern to Light. Today we're going to be making a sunflower farmhouse country wreath. Okay, these are this is the mesh that I'm using for this project. I'm going to use the black and white and the black, and I'm going to use 2 rolls of each. Now these have 10 yards each in them. Okay, and these are the choices for my ribbons here. Okay, now the fun part, the decorating part. I went ahead and I made 4 bows up. These are the ones that I make with the 3 different style ribbons in it. I did one for St. Patrick's Day, and I show you step by step how to make these 3 layered bows. So you might want to check out that video there. And like I said, I'll put it in the link at the end of this video so that you can catch that. But it does have a complete tutorial on how to make these. It's just where the yellow and white, I used green and white polka dot, and there were some different colors, but it was the same technique. I had some leftover flowers. These are sunflowers. I think these are some flowers that I actually had picked these up from the Dollar Tree. These came from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put that in the center. Okay, you're going to need a metal wreath form, and I'm using a 14-inch wreath form. And then you're also going to need some pipe cleaners. And what we're going to start doing next is we have got to take our mesh and we're going to cut it 10 inches wide. And then once we've got those all cut out, we're going to start making bundles. And now I'm going to be doing a 3-layered curl wreath. And we've got 6 sections on this wreath. So you're going to be making up 30 bundles because I'm going to put 5 bundles in each of these sections. And so what my next step is, I'm just going to start cutting all of that mesh, and then we're going to roll the bundles. Like that. And then just twist it on the back here. Take the wreath like this and just twist it on the back here. I wanted to share a little tip with you. Right now supplies are really hard and limited to get. And say you went and you purchased this black and white and you didn't have quite enough to do the 30 bundles. If you can find just plain black, you can substitute in your bundles. Like on these, I was using the black and white on the outside. Say you didn't have enough, just put the black and white in the center and put the black on the outside. And same thing, say you didn't have the black, but you have white. You could also use that same technique and just insert in some more white where you would the black and white. And it'll turn out just as pretty. You might have to space, like put these maybe every other one to kind of keep it blended. But when it all blends together, it'll work out really nicely. Okay, this is what she looks like now that I got all the bundles in. And I'm getting ready to put the ribbons on. So what I've done here is I've taken the ribbon and I've got like 4 inches on, actually I have 8 inches going across in this loop. And I did 3 loops like that, 8 inches each, because I'm going to want 4 inches per side. And just take your ribbon and clamp it right here in the middle, and then once I get those 3 loops, I'm going to take and I'm going to cut the ribbon. Polka dot ribbon, we're going to do 6-inch loops, and I'm going to go down and I'm only doing 2 loops on it. And then we're going to attach it to the top of this one. Now this one does have a pattern on it, and the pattern is not on both sides, so you're going to want to twist your ribbon when you go to make the second loop. Give it kind of a little twist in the center and then make it. Okay, the chevron print one, I only did 2 inches, which is a 4-inch loop, and that gives me 2 ruffles of 2 inches apiece on each side. And then I'm gripping it, and just make sure that your patterns are facing out. And you have to twist the ribbon if you have some pattern sometimes, but don't worry, because when you twist it, make sure that that twist area is in the center there. And then you can see, and now I'm going to take my rubber band and just put around all of these guys. As you can see, it's another lazy day here. It's raining outside, and my little baby here, she's resting away.